Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Punjabi Tadka Maggi. Guys, it is absolutely delicious and it would be unfair if I said that this was my recipe. It is an inspired recipe from the Mumbai food blog and the Street Food Unlimited. So without any further ado, let's proceed.
So guys, for this recipe I have taken a pan. You can also use a kadai, to which I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and once the oil is hot I'm going to add all assorted vegetables, starting with 3 tablespoon of diced onion, which is pyaz, 1 tablespoon of chopped beans, which is faras beans, 2 tablespoon of chopped carrots, which is gajar, 2 tablespoon of chopped capsicum, which is shimla mirch, and 3 tablespoon of tomatoes, again chopped. And now we are simply going to add it to the pan and give it a quick stir. And then guys, we are going to cover it up with a lid and cook it for 1 minute on a medium flame. So guys, after 1 minute, let's remove the lid and let's look at our vegetables. They are looking almost 30-40% cooked. And now it's time to add the 2 sachets of Maggi masala. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of salt just for the vegetables. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Guys, cooking of this masalas right now will give a really nice taste to the Maggi. And after you have mixed the masala in, let's add 2 cups of water for 2 Maggis and give it a quick stir. And after everything is nicely mixed in, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the red chili sauce and mix that in as well. Let's also add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup and give it a quick stir. And once the water has started boiling, let's add the Maggi noodles and let's cover and cook for about 1 minute. After 1 minute guys, let's take a spoon and let's just mix the noodles around. Let's just make sure that they get cooked properly. So now we are not going to put the lid on and we are just going to cook the noodles till the time the water is completely evaporated and the noodles are completely cooked. And see guys, our noodles are completely cooked. So now let's remove the noodles in a bowl and let's start working on the star of this recipe, which is the tadka. So now guys, in a tempering pan, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use any butter which you have in your house. I'm using Amul butter. And once the butter starts melting, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, which I've finely sliced. And once they start changing the color to this, I'm going to add 2 to 3 whole dried red chilies. I'm using Guntur. You can use any which you have in your house. And after that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Guys, this is just for the color. It does not give that very spicy taste to it. And let's give this tadka on top of the Maggi. And guys, the butter and the Maggi and the tadka of the crispy garlic. Oh, I'm telling you, this recipe is to die for. You will love it. It's not extremely spicy and it is worth having each and every time you make Maggi. So now I'm just completely crazy about this recipe. Let me just dive in right now.
Absolutely delicious guys. This is just absolutely delicious. It's not very spicy. You might be thinking that, oh my god, this is going to be burning hot. Not very spicy. You can actually eat it. If you're making it for kids, you can just skip on the chili part. But I'm telling you, that roasted garlic, tasting awesome. Make it. Do let me know what you think about it. And guys, if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like many more Maggi recipes which I've already put up, so do check those out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. Click over here. And guys, if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye. This Maggi is really, really delicious. That buttery taste